Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on picture-in-picture mode on TikTok. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is open up your TikTok on whatever video, just long hold anywhere, and you will see picture-in-picture here at the right side. Then you just want to click on it, and then it tells you videos will continue playing in small window when you leave the app. So since I'm currently in the app, it's not in this mode, but when I exit, as you can see, it's here. I can play it, pause it, I can take a look at the next video. Now, if I want to turn it off, same thing, go here, type on picture in picture, and now it's turned on, but it's actually turned off. Sometimes it bugs like that. But yeah, as you can see, you just need to you actually don't need to do anything. Sorry, once you come to the app, you don't need to press anything. Just when you close it, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.